Okay, we're going to start with our visual drill, and I'm going to show you some cards, and I would like you to say the sound that you see, okay? Say the sound that you see. If there might be more than one sound that you see as well, so tell me all the sounds you see.
E, I, U, S, Sp, U, and U.
Good job.
Sp, Sh, L.
And remember to say them crisply and a little louder.
E and E.
Remember to say the short sound first.
Lick. Lip. St. T. I. I.
Good. And remember.
Str. Thr. Zl. Four. Four. Ish. In.
Good.
Ear. B.
This one. What'd you say? Okay.
O. A.
Say that again.
O.
Short sound first.
A. O. Score. Score. I. E. I. O. U. Lit. Less. Less. Ness.
Good. They're sticking.
Met. Co. Do. Full. Go. Co. A.
Good.
Pull. Pull. A.
Good. Good job. Next, we're going to do our auditory part of our three-part drill. I would like you to write the sound that you hear in the sand. Underline it and tell me the sound, okay? Repeat the sound, rather. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's start with something simple. D.
D. D.
Good. Give me 3 ways to spell K.
C. K. C. K.
Good job. Bull.
B. L. Bull.
Flu.
F. L. Full.
And now these are the C consonant L-E words, okay?
Okay.
So, bull.
B-L-E. Bull.
Dull.
D-L-E. Dull.
Zol.
Z-L-E. Zol.
Gull.
G-L-E. Gull.
Full.
F-L-E. Full.
Good. Let's go over to the bossy R. Give me 3 ways to spell
E-R-R. I-R-U-R-R.
Good. N.
N.
Give me 2 ways to spell S.
S. S.
Good job. And how about 3 ways to spell Z?
Z. 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 S. Z.
Good job. How about less or suffixes?
L. L. E. S. S. Less.
Good. Ness.
N. E. S. S. Ness.
Mint.
M. I. N. M. E. N. T. Mint.
Good. How about full?
F-U-L. Full.
Ish.
I-S-H. Ish.
And in.
E-N. In.
Good job. How about, give me 2 ways to spell the long O.
O. O. E. E. O. A.
Hold on.
O. E. O. A. And O. E.
Good job. All right, good job. This part is our blending drill. And I'm going to have you point to the word, and I'm going to say, ready, read. Okay? All right, you can get started.
Now. Moink.
Moink.
Moink. Roing. Ring. Row.
Try that one more time.
Raw. Stroll. Stole. Stoled. Stoled.
Try that.
St-o. Unst-o.
A little louder.
Unst-o.
Unstow. Right.
Unsto. Two.
Try that again.
Twa. Twa.
I'll give you a hint.
2.
Yeah.
Stro. Stroful. Stroful.
Let's try this.
3. Through. Screw. Screwn. Screwn. Ear.
That makes the sound.
Squir. 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 Squir in. Squir. Squir.
Let's try this.
Squir in ish.
Squish.
Squish. Kern. Curb.
Say it crisper.
Curb.
Mm-hmm.
Cup.
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
Subless. Subless.
Some left. And let's try.
Con-es. Cons. Cons.
All right, very good. Okay, and let's try 2 more.
Steigle.
Good job. And
Twiggle.
good job. All right. Okay, next up is our new skill introduction. And today we're going to be learning new prefixes. And prefixes come at the beginning of the word. So I'm going to say the word or the prefix, and then I'm going to show you the card, okay? All right. D.
Deport.
No, you don't have to say a sentence yet. I'm just showing you. D. And I can put them right here on our blending board. D. B. Pre. Pro. And re. Okay?
Okay.
So you tell them, say them for me, read them for me.
Re.
Mm-hmm.
D. B. Pre. Pro.
And pro. Okay, so re would mean back and again. D means away and from. B means become. Pre, before, and pro, forward. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, we're going to do a little multisensory activity using those prefixes. So let's slide those over here and slide your sand tray around here. Actually, don't slide the sand tray around. Right now, we're going to do our memory game. And in our memory game, I'm going to turn the cards over, and if you see the cards, you either have the prefix on it or you have what the prefix means. So you have to try and match those two up. If you match the two up, then you get the cards. So you turn them over. And you try and match the prefix with the definition. Okay? All right. You're going to turn 2 cards over at a time. So pick 2 cards.
Pre. And because.
Those are both prefixes. One of them is not the definition, so turn them back over. And let's try again. You're finding the prefix and the definition.
Okay. Away from.
So now you have to find the prefix that means away from. You did it. Good job. So you get to keep those 2. Now let's try again.
Pre.